Taxcaster, your pocket tax estimator, laughs, refunds, and financial freedom. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of taxes, but don't worry, I promise there'll be more laughs than groans by the end. We're talking about the Taxcaster app, a free tool that can help you estimate your tax refund or potential tax bill and get a head start on your financial journey. But before we jump in, let's face it, taxes are a necessary evil. They help fund vital government programs, but let's be honest, nobody enjoys the thought of Uncle Sam taking a chunk of their hard-earned money. That's where Taxcaster comes in. This handy app acts like a tax crystal ball, giving you a glimpse into your potential tax situation. Is there a chance you'll be getting a sweet refund? Or might you owe a little something extra? Taxcaster can help you answer these questions, and trust me, knowing is half the battle. Using Taxcaster is a breeze. Download the app. First things first, head over to the App Store or Google Play and download the free Taxcaster app. Input your information. Once downloaded, open the app and start inputting your basic information, things like your filing status, income sources, deductions, and any credits you might qualify for. The app will guide you through step by step. Get your estimate. After entering your details, hit the magic button, Estimate Refund. Boom! Taxcaster will calculate your potential tax return or show you if you might owe taxes. Now, let's talk accuracy. Taxcaster, like all tax estimators, can't guarantee a perfect prediction. Your actual tax return might be a bit higher or lower depending on various factors the app can't account for, like complex investments or specific tax situations. But for a basic overview, Taxcaster is a great starting point. It compares well to other free tax estimators, and its user-friendly interface makes it a winner. Fun with Vinny, a tax tale. Speaking of user-friendly, let me tell you about Vinny. Vinny's a good guy, but taxes always gave him a headache. One year, he stumbled upon Taxcaster and decided to give it a whirl. He whipped out his phone, downloaded the app, and started plugging in his numbers. As he entered each deduction, his eyes widened. Wait, can I really claim that? He muttered, surprised by the hidden tax breaks he wasn't aware of. Finally, he hit the Estimate Refund button, and a giant grin spread across his face. Turns out, Vinny was due for a hefty tax refund. From that day on, Vinny became a Taxcaster convert. He started planning his tax strategy throughout the year, saving receipts and maximizing deductions. He even used the app's what-if scenarios to see how different financial decisions might impact his taxes. Reducing your tax burden might not sound like a barrel of laughs, but it can be a huge step towards financial freedom. Think about it, a bigger refund means more money in your pocket, which you can use to pay off debt, save for future goals, or even splurge on a well-deserved vacation, because let's face it, after dealing with taxes, you deserve it. Alright, folks, before I let you go, here's a quick joke. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. See what I did there? On a more serious note, thank you for watching. This informational piece was produced with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to taxes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks, like the video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends who might benefit from Taxcaster. God bless you and yours.